Good morning, my dear children. I am your teacher, Savita ma'am from Sanskriti School. Children, you must be thinking what the teacher is going to do today. Whether it's going to be interesting or it's not going to be interesting. Are you thinking? Yes? I do have a story for you today again, children. So get ready to listen to the story. Before we begin the story, I want you to revise quickly the two letters that we learned last time, children. Oh, don't say no, we know already. Even if you know, you quickly tell me the sound and action, and then we will start our story session. Okay? Right. So tell me, children, what letter is that? Letter S. And what action it does? And the sound, what is the sound? Second letter A. Yes, my dear. And what is the action? Wow, good job. So you remember now two letters. So are you ready to listen to the story? I am ready. Right. This is the story of two children. You want to know their names? Their names were Tina and Timmy. Tina and Timmy. Children, Tina and Timmy, one day when they got up in the morning, they saw that mom is all dressed up with her bag and everything. She is ready to go somewhere. Children were just got up and they asked, Mama, you look so, you're ready to go somewhere, Mama. Where are you going? Mama said, I am going to watch a tennis match. Wow! Suddenly children were so excited and they said, tennis match? You never told us, Mom. Even we would like to come. So Mommy said, oh, we don't have time to now. If you want to come, you need to quickly get ready. Children said, Mama, just wait for some time. We are going to be ready in just 2 minutes. And they just ran and they got ready and they came back. They said, Mama, we are ready. Yay! And then Mama said, okay, let's go. Now they were very excited. They wanted to know how are they going to go. So they asked Mama, how are we going? Mama said, we are going by train. Oh, they were even more excited because we love the train journey, right? So they, three of them went into the station and they get inside the train and they were seated there comfortably. Now, after some time, you know who came there? A person came and said, excuse me, please show me your tickets. Children said, tickets? Mama said, yes, I have a ticket. And Mama took a ticket, pulled the ticket out of her purse and she showed the ticket to the ticket collector. He looked at it and he said, good, okay, have a nice journey, have a happy journey. And he went forward. Now the children were seated comfortably. They were just, enjoying the journey. And then after for some time, they said, oh, are you feeling hungry, Tina? Timmy said, yes, I'm feeling hungry. Mama, we are feeling hungry. You have something for us? Mommy said, of course I have. I knew that you are going to feel hungry. So Mama, do you know what did Mama give them? Mama gave them toast. What did she give them? Toast. Oh, the children were having toast. Yay! And then Mama thought, let me also have something. It's fun in the train. So Mama thought, let me drink some tea. What did she say? Let me drink some tea. And she was about to sip the tea. The Tina said, Mama, let me touch the cup. And she was about to touch. It's hot, Mama. I will not touch that. And then she went back and she started having her toast. And Mama was having tea. Oh, then it was nice. They all were having a nice time together. And then their tummy was full with the toast and tea. The tummy was full and they started looking out of the window. It's fun. The train was going, very fast, and outside they saw many trees and many plants, and it was so beautiful outside. They saw some tulips also, children, It was so beautiful. They just enjoyed. And then they also saw a farmer. He was working in his field, and he was also harvesting some tomatoes. He was plucking some tomatoes and keeping them in his basket. Tomatoes they saw. Oh, and then the train was moving, and suddenly the lights went off. It was dark. Oh, children said, Mama, I can't see anything. Mama said, don't worry, my dear, I have something. And Mama took out a torch. She took out a torch and she showed the light to everybody. Yay! Children said, thank you, Mama. Thank you so much for bringing the torch along. And then after some time, children, the train was slowly moving towards the forest. Oh, they were excited. This forest is always exciting. No? You don't know, you never know what you get to see. And then after some time, children, they got to see something, a wild animal. What was it? Oh, tiger. They saw a tiger. Oh my God. They were so excited to see the tiger because of course they were in the train, right? So it was nice to see the tiger outside. And then after having a look at the tiger, slowly the train stopped at the station and they got down. And now they were very eager to see the match, tennis match. So they went and they all were seated and they were waiting when the players will come to play. After some time, the two players came. Children, on the court, one player was this side and one player was other side. And they had tennis racket. The racket, the badminton racket, have you seen? Similar to that, they had tennis racket. And they had a yellow color ball, tennis ball. And they started to play the tennis game. And children, every time the ball was touching the racket, it was making a sound. What sound it was making? It was making the sound. And children were looking like this. Oh, and then the match was over and the children, both Tina and Timmy, were so happy. And then they started singing a song. You want to listen to the song? The song was, when I watch a tennis game, when I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. That was lovely, children. So children, if you were careful enough, if you were listening to me carefully, did you hear a word, a sound that you heard many times, often? Listen again. Tina, Timmy, listen to the first sound, children. Toast, tomato, torch, tea, ticket, toothbrush, tiger. Did you hear a sound? Yes. T, t, t. And who makes this sound? Let me show you. Letter T makes the sound. T, t, t. And what is the action, children? The action is t, 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 t. That was lovely. Thank you, Tina. Thank you, Timmy, for this lovely story. My children learned a new letter, a third letter. Wow. Okay, children. So now you know what letter is this, and you also know the sound and you know the action. Is that all, or should we do something else? What else do we do in the end? Come on, come on. Yes, children, we have to do the skywriting. We have to learn how to write this letter. But we are going to write with our fingers in the air. Okay. So are you ready? I am ready. Show me your pointer fingers. Okay. We are writing which letter? We are writing letter T, children. So pointers up. standing line and give it a small tail, children. Tail. Once again. Pointers up. Standing line and give it a small tail and a small sleeping line. Can we do it once again? Pointers up. Standing line, a small tail and a small sleeping line. That's letter T. Wow, good job children. I'm so proud of you. Clap for yourself. Right children? And now what will you do? See, I have collected so many things, which had t, t, t sound. So now you go and you also look for all the things that are there in the house which has this sound. T, t, t. Right? And show them to mommy, daddy, granny, whoever is there. You can also do, display them like that and make a story of your own. That's going to be fun, children. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Have a funny day. Have lots of fun and just enjoy your day with all these looking for activity thing. Right, children? Okay. Goodbye, my dear children.